99% of your body is actually empty space, and it's all because of the atom. I am Bing Let Wags, and today we are zooming into the fundamental building blocks of the entire universe. By definition, an atom is the smallest unit of matter that retains the chemical identity of an element. From the air you breathe to the device you are holding, everything is a complex assembly of this microscopic building blocks. To understand their scale, let's consider this. A single strand of human hair is approximately 500,000 to 1 million carbon atoms wide. If you expanded an atom to the size of marble, that same human hair would be several miles thick. We are not just talking about something small, we are talking about a scale so infinitesimal that it defies everyday logic. Architecturally, every atom is divided into two primary zones, a dense, ultra-compact nucleus, and an expansive, seemingly void region that surrounds it. At the heart of the atom is the nucleus. This microscopic fortress is composed of two subatomic particles, protons, which carry a positive electromagnetic charge and dictate the element's atomic number, and neutrons, which are electrically neutral. They act as the nuclear glue that stabilizes the core. Despite its microscopic size, the nucleus is incredibly dense. It contains approximately 99.9% of the atom's total mass. This leads into a startling realization in physics. Nearly all the weight of the universe is concentrated in these tiny massive points. Surrounding this core is a dynamic, high-energy region known as the electron cloud. Forget the old models of planets orbiting around a star. In reality, electrons exist in a zone of probability. Because they move so rapidly, we cannot pinpoint their exact location, only predict where they are likely to be found based on their energy levels. It is the fundamental law of electromagnetism, opposites attract, that acts as the invisible glue holding this entire structure together. To grasp this void, imagine an atom expanded to the size of a football stadium. The nucleus would be a tiny marble on the center line, while the electrons would be like grains of sand buzzing around the very highest seats in the stands. Everything in between is absolutely nothing. Atoms are 99.999% empty space. In fact, if you removed all the nothing from every human on Earth, the entire human race would fit inside a single sugar cube. If atoms are empty space, why don't we fall through the floor? Because you have never actually touched anything. When you sit on a chair, your electrons and the chair's electrons violently repels each other. What you interpret as solidity is actually just an invisible electric cushion. You are quite literally hovering a tiny infinitesimal distance above every surface you touch. But atoms are not just about what they are, it's about how they are arranged. This is molecular architecture. Take carbon. In graphite, atoms form flat, two-dimensional sheets that slides over each other like stacks of cards. This is why a pencil can write. But reconfigure that blueprint into a three-dimensional tetrahedral lattice, and you will get a diamond. One of the hardest substances on Earth. Structure dictates function. While graphite's mobile electrons allow it to conduct electricity, a diamond's locked structure makes it a perfect insulator. It is the ultimate demonstration of how invisible building blocks are engineered to create the world we see. Atoms are the invisible engineers of our reality, from the fragile mark of a pencil to the indestructible lattice of a diamond. The next time you touch a surface, remember, you are not just feeling matter. You are feeling the fundamental laws of the universe at work. Thanks for exploring the subatomic world with me. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more. I am Bing Let Wags, and I will see you in the next one.